like it's golden. All right, guys, welcome back to Smile Jamaica. Now, our first guest is a coach, speaker, author, and thought leader who can keep you aligned and focused on your goals. So joining us this morning is none other than Tasha Chen. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Smile, Tasha. Look at you.
Good morning, Debbie. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. You've started the year so strong and bright. Look at that smile. Look at the colors. I love that. Tasha, you know, every new year we start the year and we're saying to ourselves, we tell people, this is going to be my year. I have so many goals, so many dreams. And somewhere along the line, as Simone said earlier on today, like about February, February, I'm going to say after my birthday, February 7th. We tend to lose that momentum. Why is that so? What's happening to our consistency?
So I'm going to say two things. Number one, I never set goals, right? Because the second you set a goal, your mind goes into, what do I need to do to achieve it? And I'm just going to keep it real. Most of us don't really want to do what it takes to achieve the goal. So what I do is I set intentions. And an intention is different because a goal is, this is something I want to have. An intention is a written statement that says, this is something I've declared that I did, I completed, I achieved. And literally just a shift in the languaging changes everything. And so why aren't we consistent? Well, I'm going to tell it to you like it is. When I wanted to accomplish getting married, nothing was going to get in my way. Nothing. I had no consistency issues whatsoever. I was doing whatever it took every single day to become the me that would attract the man that I wanted, right? So I don't think we have a consistency problem. I think we're not really clear on what we truly want and desire at the strongest.
So, I'm very happy you mentioned that point about, the goals versus the intention, because a lot of the times we say with the goals, I want, versus saying things like I have, I am.
Yes.
So just like what you said a while ago about the goals, because we often at this time set up the vision boards, or we write inside our journal, the top 10 things that we want. So how is that in terms of wording? Can you go in that a little bit more, please, about the importance of how we phrase the things that we actually desire?
Absolutely. So I want, or I wish for, or I'm going to get it's an immediate mental message that says I don't have it, right? And so when you say instead, I am, I have, I did, I completed, your mind, your reticular activating system says, oh, this is already done. And it literally goes to work for you. So instead, this is where consistency, you don't have to worry about it, because it's not, I'm going to get this thing. It's my brain thinks I've already accomplished it. And so my